तेग बहादुर सिमरे कर नौनत आवे ताए हर नौनत आवे ताए हर नौनत आवे ताए।
In this Shabad, Guruji takes on the role of a spiritual aspirant and humbly supplicates in front of God. Todee Mahalla Nawa. Raag Todee, the musical tune, the ninth Guru Sri Guru Tegh Bahadur Jee. Ek Oankar Sat Gur Prasad. There is one Creator, God. By the true Guru's grace, God is discovered. Khao Kha Apni Adhmayee. What can I say about my corrupt nature? Urjeo Kanak Kamani Ke Ras Neh Kirat Prab Gai. Rahau. I am entangled in enjoyments of attachment to gold and women, and I have not sung the Lord's praise. Pause. Gold here can also mean accumulation of wealth. Jag jhoothe kau sach janika tasyo ruch upajai. Deeming the false world to be true, I have become enamored with it. Deen bandh simreo nahi kabhu hot jo sang sahai. I have never contemplated the friend of the poor, God, who shall be my companion and helper in the end. Magan raheo maya main nisdin chuti na man ki kai. I remain intoxicated by Maya, night and day, and the filth of my mind will not depart. Keh Nanak ab nahe anatagat bin har ki saranai. Says Nanak, without the Lord's sanctuary, I cannot find salvation in any other way, so I am at your door now. 2:1:31. The number 2 at the end of the Shabad signifies the end of the second verse. The number 1 signifies that there was one Shabad by Sri Guru Tegh Bahadur Jee in Todee Raag. And the number 31 signifies one Shabad by Sri Guru Ramdas Ji and 30 Shabads by Sri Guru Arjan Dev Ji in the Todee Raag.
तेग बहादुर सिमरे कर नौनत आवे